Dear students, this is the next application of relative velocity exercise 3.7 of your NCERT, and the question is, two trains A and B of length 400 meter each are moving on two parallel tracks with the uniform speed of 72 km per hour in the same direction, with A ahead of B. The driver of B decides to overtake A and accelerates by 1 meter per second square. After 50 seconds, the guard of B just brushes past the driver of A. What was the original distance between them? Okay. Now we have the two trains, and both the trains have length same. This is first train, 400 meter. Train, another train here, this is also 400 meter, and suppose this is the direction in which both of the trains are moving, and let us consider this is train A and this is train B. As per the question, A is ahead of B. Now both of the trains, they have the same velocity. Now you see, if they will keep moving with the same velocity, the distance between them, original distance between them, that would remain same. Train B will never overtake A. Now you see, at any instant of time, let us consider at that instant the distance between them is x. Now at this instant, the driver of B decides to overtake train A. So at this instant, the driver will start accelerating its train with the acceleration of 1 meter per second square, and it will take only 50 seconds to overtake train A. Means, you see, we know that at the here driver is there, here we can say guard would be there. Driver is here, guard is here. After 50 seconds, what would be the situation? I'm drawing here. After 50 seconds, let us draw this situation. This is train A, train B. This is the situation. Guard of B just brushes past the driver of A. Means it is going to overtake at this instant when the situation is like this. Now what we need to find out, we need to find out the initial distance x between the two trains. So we'll apply the concept of relative velocity here. You see, this instant when both of the trains are moving, now you can tell me the relative velocity of train B. Now we will concentrate on train B because B has to accelerate and it will take 50 seconds to overtake train A. So we'll find out the relative velocity of B with respect to A. Initial relative velocity of B with respect to A, that is initial velocity of B minus initial velocity of A. So that would be 72 km per hour. We can convert it because the acceleration is given in meter per second. So we will convert this into meter per seconds. So here, because it would be 0, so this is 0 km per hour or 0 meter per second. So we can say we will use the relative velocity concept only. Now you see, I already told you that whenever we use the concept of relative velocity, we will consider the observer to be at rest, and this would be moving with double the velocity or with the relative velocity. Now initial velocity, you see, when the driver of B has decided to overtake, at that moment the initial relative velocity of train B with respect to A is 0, and acceleration of B with respect to A is 1 meter per second square. And now you see, when this situation is going to arrive, means the train is coming here. This is train A, train B is from here. Initially the train B is here, and now the train B has reached at this, when the guard of train B is going to wave off driver of train A. Now you see, this guard is, we can consider the motion of the guard, and we can find out guard from here till here, how much distance has been covered, that we can see. You can see. So this is 400 from here to here. From here to here is also 400, and this is x. So total distance traveled is what? 400 plus x plus 400 in meters. So this is 800 plus x meter, where x is the initial distance between the guard and driver of the two trains. So this is the total distance, acceleration we have, and time taken to reach at this situation is 50 seconds. So we can apply the equation, and what we want to calculate x, means s, distance, that part of s that we want to calculate. So simple formula we can apply. S is equal to ut plus half at square. U, that is initial velocity, that was 0, plus half, a is 1, t is 50 seconds, and this is 800 plus x. So we can simplify this. 800 plus x is equal to, you will get 550 square as 2500 divided by 2 is 1250. So x would be what? X would be 1250 minus 800, that is 450 meter. So this is what? This is the initial distance between the trains. So 450 is the initial distance between the trains. So as x was considered as the initial distance between the two trains, so x we have calculated, that is 450 meter, that is the initial distance between the two trains.